In this video, you'll learn how to make money reselling yard sale items. This guide explains the steps needed to find, prepare, and sell items for profit, allowing you to turn a simple yard sale into a lucrative venture. To start, visit yard sales early in the morning. Arriving at this time ensures you have the first pick of the best items available. Focus on underpriced products that have a market demand, such as electronics, collectibles, tools, and branded goods. Before making any purchases, utilize your smartphone to check the market value of items. This step is crucial, as you should only buy items that can sell for significantly more than their purchase price. It is also advisable to avoid items that are broken or incomplete, unless they are rare and highly sought after. Establish a budget for your purchases to prevent overspending. Once you have acquired items, the next step is to prepare them for resale. Start by cleaning each item thoroughly to enhance its appeal. If you have purchased electronic or mechanical items, ensure that you test them to confirm they are working correctly. For items that require batteries or small parts, replace these if necessary to make the product complete. Taking high-quality photographs is essential. Capture pictures from all angles and highlight any unique details. When writing descriptions, include clear information about the condition and features of the items. Research similar products by looking at sold listings to determine competitive pricing before listing your items on resale platforms. After preparing your items, the selling process begins. Monitor your listings regularly to gauge interest and adjust your pricing if you notice a lack of responses. It is important to respond quickly to any buyer inquiries, as prompt communication can lead to successful sales. When an item sells, ensure you ship it securely and on time. Keeping track of your profits from each sale is vital to understanding which products perform best in the market. This information will help you make informed decisions about future purchases. As you continue to sell items, reinvest your earnings into acquiring more inventory. This step is key in scaling your reselling business. Consistency is crucial. Repeat the entire process regularly to build a sustainable source of income. Each cycle of buying, preparing, and selling will enhance your skills and understanding of what to look for at yard sales. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.